Caught my spouse cheating. But you won't believe what I did next. I caught my spouse cheating, and I thought I had it all figured out. I was furious, heartbroken, and I knew in that moment my life was about to change forever. But what I did next, it's not what you're expecting. I'd been suspecting something for a while. Little things kept adding up. Late nights at work, mysterious texts, a change in behavior. But I never thought it would be this. It hit me like a ton of bricks. The text was clear. There was no denying it. I knew I had to confront them, but the rage, the sadness, the disbelief, everything was swirling inside me. I felt like my world was crashing down. When I confronted my spouse, I expected chaos, anger, tears. I thought I knew exactly how this would play out. But when they admitted it, when they confessed, something inside me shifted. I'm so sorry and I don't know what happened. I was weak and I messed up. It felt like a punch to the gut. And yet, I stayed calm. I stayed quiet. I wasn't sure what I was feeling anymore. Pain, anger, betrayal, confusion. But I knew one thing. I wasn't ready to make any rash decisions. This wasn't just about revenge. This was about my future, about what I really wanted. Everyone expected me to scream, to shout, to throw the marriage away. Friends, family, even my spouse, they thought I would call it quits. You don't deserve this. You need to leave them. You can't trust them anymore. Just walk away. But deep down, I realized something. I didn't want to make a decision out of anger. I wanted to know if this marriage could still be saved. So I did the unexpected. I chose not to leave right away. Instead, I decided to give my spouse one chance. One chance to prove they were truly sorry, that they could change. But here's the catch. I told them I would only stay if we went to therapy together. And if we couldn't rebuild trust, then it would be over. No second chances after that. It wasn't easy. It was hard, painful, and sometimes felt like it wasn't worth it. We spent hours in therapy, digging into the root causes of why the betrayal happened in the first place. But little by little, we began to rebuild. It wasn't about erasing the past. It was about learning from it. We learned to communicate better. We learned to trust each other again. I didn't just forgive them overnight, but I began to see a person who truly wanted to change, and that made all the difference. I know what you're thinking. How could I give them a second chance after everything? Honestly, I didn't know either. But what I do know is this. Sometimes love isn't just about what's perfect. It's about what you're willing to fight for. So here we are, still together. Not because it's easy, but because we've both chosen to fight for this. And sometimes that's all you can ask for. The betrayal doesn't define our story. What we do next does. If you've ever faced betrayal or made a tough choice about love, I want to hear your story. Drop a comment below and share how you handled it. And if you believe in second chances, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more real-life love stories.